Uri mwega mwiroreri wa KJ Channel muthenya wa umuthi ariki mweri 25 mweri wa gatandatu mwaka wa 2026 muthenya umwe uria ukuikaine ta wa gukwira kana kuririkana aria makuire Gen Z hindi ya maandamano ma mwaka wa 2024 niyo 2024 na kurikanagwo muthenya wa umuthi kundu gutiganite na guku Nairobi maundu mekohanaga tao kundu
which the cabinet secretary himself acknowledged that they received yesterday. We are very peace loving. We have no intention of causing any harm, and we are asking the police to allow us to finish this march so that we can lay these flowers in remembrance of the Gen Z martyrs who were killed in 2024 and 2025. We have all intentions to complete this march. So we are asking the police, whoever is leading the police, this is a very small number, even they outnumber us. We are ready to be escorted to the parliament entrance so that we can lay these flowers and remember the Gen Zs who are killed. So whoever is in charge of the police, make your way here and guide us on how we will ensure that we commemorate this day. Here are mothers, here are human rights defenders. There are no rooms, as you can see, so you have absolutely no justification to stop us from accessing a building that is a public place.
Kundu kuingi kuma na security tight na ario othe mekohana ta maracokanira ni megukorwo makinyitwo ni borithi na gukuo ni ngari cia borithi.
Toka huko. Nimefanya nini? Nimeogopa nini? What have I done?
Kundu gutiganite ni gukuonia mamwe ma maria makorwo makihanika muthenya wa umuthi kundu gutiganite nyitanira hamwe nani ha maritwa njitagwo KJ Wanja unorerorera KJ Channel hamwe nani nyitanira hamwe. Thank you.
What have I done? Toka huko. Nimefanya nini? Nimeogopa nini? What have I done?
Kungi nakuo mutongoria wa bururi ariwe William Samoei Ruto ni arikirie gukorwo agithie kuria mwena wa Bomas of Kenya kuthurima wa Bomas uria urathie na mbere mwena ucio na uu niguo gukiuma.
This is a project that has been in the works for close to 18 years in discussions and commitments. And if you look at the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, part of the MICE program is this development you see here. Apart from the convention center, we have a big auditorium, we have a ballroom, we have many other meeting rooms, I think 24 other meeting rooms. And I must commend, Kenyans who are working on this project. The contractor who has been given this job. This is work of 1.5 years. Ordinarily, this project, if it was the usual, this would be a project of 5, 6, 7, 10 years.
You are done now.
I am very proud that we are not only building this project, but we are building the capacity of our own engineers that will build the next projects in Kenya. Sasa
10 term plus 42 term. Kazi yenye wanafanya ni kazi nzuri. Si Thomas, si Talanta, si Sha, si nini. Mambo kubwa sana.
let us believe in ourselves. Let us believe in our country. Rome was not built in one day, but we are building it step by step. One project after another. One program after another.
Marĩtwa njĩtagwo KJ Wanja, ũnorerorera KJ Channel.